45% of Embase users indicate that indexing clinical trial information would be a valuable enhancement. But why does this matter? Researchers tell us that integrating clinical trials into Embase streamlines their workflow, providing broader access to data and improving research planning. Others highlight the efficiency. Having trial records included eliminates the need for separate searches. For pharmaceutical professionals, quick identification through keywords for drugs, diseases, and patient groups is essential. And for those managing citations, the ability to export clinical trial results directly is a game changer. Now we've made it happen. Clinical trials are indexed, labeled, and easily accessible, ensuring a seamless research experience. Search smarter, find faster.